Alright, so all I'm using is a bent butter knife. And you have one that's bent in either direction, so you can work this way or this way and not have to flip it around. Trust me, if you try this, you'll understand what I mean by that. So it's been a pretty overcast day. It was raining this morning when we woke up. And it's still light out, as you can see, but this corner gets a little dark and we really need to make sure that we're doing a good job and getting the nails covered. And that's why we have the headlamp on. You know, you're gonna need some kind of light to do this. So we have a headlamp that we have charged. And by the way, this headlamp is amazing. It's our favorite type. We've been through a couple of dozen. The kids, us, I mean, everyone, we use them. We're hard on them. They get trashed. They either don't last very long, or the batteries don't hold up, or they just break after a few uses. This one is really hardy. This is a rechargeable light. It's from Olight.
Awesome.
Charge it with USB. It's got a magnetic tail on it. So I do a lot of stuff as a mechanic, and I can just stick it right up underneath the hood, and it lights the whole project for me. I think it's got like 1100 lumens, and the battery life lasts forever. You can take it off the headlamp mount, and it has a belt clip on it, so you can clip it in your pocket or on a belt. Really awesome little light, and I like it so much that I actually talked to the company Olight and worked out a deal for you guys. So if you're interested, there'll be a link in the description below. That'll get you 30% off right now until December 19th. So if you want something like this, if you've been looking for a headlamp that works, that will last a long time, it will take the abuse and be multi-use, or as a gift for someone that you think might use one of these, now's the time to grab it, because it's only 30% off until the 19th. Like I said, I'll leave it down there in the description box below. And I think right now, actually, during that sale, if you register with the website, Olight, you get another free mini pocket light. So 2 lights for the price of 1.
The recliner over. Looks, you might be able to go all the way to the wall. Yes?
So that's how I chink large gaps between crooked logs. Looks so much better now with that foam covered up. The foam is really ugly, but it's such good stuff. I really love it when it's done. It's a lot of work, but it's so rewarding, as you can imagine. We still have a lot left to do. My wife's already told me that I'm on my own on the outside chinking, so we'll see how that goes. I've done it before. I did the whole other cabin by myself, inside and out, but that's a lot smaller. What I'll do is I'll put that all into one video and show you guys the end result when it's all finished. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time.